morning, Abram. Are you happy to be awake? Are you happy to do school? No. All the kids are waking up, fixing to eat, and then we're gonna start our school day. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Morgan at Homeschool in the Woods. Today I'm going to be showing you what our homeschool looks like, so stay tuned. Okay. So the kids are eating breakfast and they're starting their day off with apples to apples. Anybody want to say hi? Hey! How do you feed a hungry giant?
See, told you.
You want to see the giant?
Alright, Abram. Abram's
Yeah.
Colleen.
My name is Oscar, and you are never going to believe what just happened to me. Seriously, you're not going to believe it. Here's the dog. You really aren't going to believe it. I opened the door to let my dog Cowgirl out, and I found a giant in my backyard. He was standing right there by the swings in the sand. She swallowed the salad to go with the squash. She swallowed the squash to go with the roll. She swallowed the roll to go with the cider that rumbled and mumbled and grumbled inside her. She swallowed the cider to moisten the pie, the Thanksgiving pie, which was really too dry. Perhaps she'll die. I know an old lady who swallowed a pot. Look at that pot. I kid you not, she swallowed a pot. She swallowed the pot to go with the turkey. She swallowed the turkey to go with the salad. Look at her mouth. Got my ukulele girl going here, serenading me. Okay, so I gotta find some coloring books. Just grab a few. Zipper ink. Okay, and then maybe some Chloe, did you get your handwriting? Is it in the living room? Ready? Okay. Let me find maybe a couple notebooks so the kids can just write or draw. Check out my messy homeschool room. I haven't had a chance to clean it in a couple days, and it's like stuff everywhere. Hey, Chloe. Shh, just for a little bit. Hey, what's the matter?
Oh, and you kicked me.
Oh, he kicked you?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, I'm sorry. Hey, we need the crayons. I'll get the crayon box. Alright, carry this stuff into the living room to get ready for a read aloud. Alright? Alright. Alright. Chapter 8. A Talk at Home. On Sunday morning, Mr. and Mrs. Arable and Fern were sitting at breakfast in the kitchen. Avery had finished and was upstairs looking for his slingshot. Did you know that Uncle Homer's goslings has hatched? Asked Fern. How many? Asked Mr. Arable. 7. Then there are the massive wonders of this earth, like soaring mountains, rolling seas, roaring lions. God has certainly created some incredible and incredibly big things. But today, take a look at the little things. Examine the leaf on the tree, the delicate wings of a butterfly, or the perfection of a spider's web. Okay, so now it's time to move into our history lesson for the day. We're doing the Good and the Beautiful history, and we are on lesson. We're doing Joan of Arc Part 2 today. Let's see. Let's see what we got going on. It does have the game, guys, if y'all are wanting to play.
Me?
Okay, so we'll get started with this. Alright, I'll be good. Not getting on game yet. Alright. Does anybody remember who we studied last time?
What?
Joan of Arc.
Not Joan of Arc.
I think you said Noah's Ark. That's it. You said Joan of Arc? Okay. In Joan of Arc's story, we can see the hand of God. The British were poised to take over France before Joan came into the picture. Largely because of Joan, the English did not take over France. If they had, the balance of power in Europe down through the centuries would have been different. Think about how Joan of Arc's actions helped the American colonists win the Revolutionary War, which paved the way for the religious freedom of millions of people. France played a key role in helping the colonists defeat the British in the Revolutionary War. Okay, Kate, keys of history game time. So, what color is me and Owen?
Y'all are blue.
Huh?
Y'all blue.
We're blue? Okay. Alright, who's gonna start?
Me! I want to start.
Alright, let's let Claire start. She never gets to start. Okay?
Oh, and you're supposed to be over there.
Here.
Don't get it over. 1, 2. The Declaration of
Alright, let's find the card. They're usually at the end. Where, oh where, oh where. There it is. Okay. Claire, the Declaration of Independence was adopted on what day? In 1776.
24th?
Yes. Okay, so you get to put a little black thingy on it. Where's it at? There. Okay. Alright, Owen, it's our turn. You have to roll. There's the cards, Chloe. Alright, don't roll it hard. Just roll it like right here.
1.
Okay, we get to move 1.
What is it? The Revolutionary War.
Okay, so we got our morning subjects out of the way. Hi, Heidi. And after that, I usually let the kids go run and play for a while and get rid of some of that energy. And it always helps when we start back in school. We usually will play, eat a snack, relax for a little bit, and yeah, that's how it's going so far. Alright, so it's time to get this little guy started. We just got done with our break and time to get working on our schoolwork. So, this is his dog book, as he likes to call it. So we do pre-K from Good and Beautiful. Is that the one you're supposed to do? Mm-hmm. Okay, good. And this is the little box I keep all his stuff in. We keep some crayons, his little games. I keep them each in their bag. Flip books are in there. Everything's kind of in here that we might need, so I don't have to go hunt up a bunch of different stuff. Alright, are you ready? Alright, let's get going. What does it say? These letters are uppercase L and lowercase L. You remember what L says?
Lion?
It says, oh, yeah, like lion. So which one is the uppercase and which one's the lowercase? Which one's the uppercase and lowercase? Good. Alright, now you get to trace your uppercase L.
1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2.
Nice and neat. Well, that was quick. Alright, just showing you while I'm doing my preschoolers work. I got all my little readers in here. Checking out the books. Totally awesome. I love this site. Alright, while we're doing our preschool work, Chloe's also working on her language lessons for living education. Do you like it, Chloe? Is it okay?
It's okay.
You don't like language arts, though, do you? Not really. What do you like?
History.
History your favorite?
Mm.
Mine too. That's what she's working on today. Some abbreviations. Looking good.
Monkey?
I think that's a W. It's upside down. Yeah. This is our climb the stairs game that we do with our flashcards or spelling words. You can do it. What's the letter? I think it's an M.
Monkey?
Yeah. Keep going. You can do it. There's Claire up in the princess tower. Hi, Claire. Are you Rapunzel? Let down your hair.
Huh?
Let down your hair.
Yeah.
All right, got preschooler work done. Now we're doing first grader. This is Abram. He's working on his language lessons right now. He's gonna have to write his spelling words. Here, you gotta put your name at the top. Uh-oh. What? Who's making your sandwich? Claire or Chloe? Okay, well tell her you can have a whole, okay? Yep, that's my life.
Claire. Claire. Surface. Fall. Now. A word. Hippo.
What do you even want?
Even get dressed.
No, but you need to... Look, you're in pajamas. Don't touch the camera. You're in pajamas. You need to wear some pants, boy. Said.
Beth. The hen. But I will not. $100. It fits in the hut. Said no.
Good. Okay, so I've got Abram and Owen's work done. I'm fixing to start working with Claire, my third grader, and it's 11:20 right now. Your finger hurts. And Owen's finger hurts. So hopefully, I don't know if we get done by noon, but that's usually what we try to do, but it doesn't always happen. So we'll see how it goes. Okay, so what lesson are we on? day. Are we on day 48? Yeah. Okay, where's your pencil? Where's your pencil? Here.
This book ain't so long. What has that many pages?
Okay, over here, mental math.
That's 100.
Okay, give me a scrap piece of paper. We'll use this one. Here.
I knew we were named.
Oh, okay. Here, show me.
Okay.
Show me. Let's do your taekwondo. Are you embarrassed? Claire will do it. Just as fast as you do. Wait, like this. Wait. Get over here in the camera. Now do it. Ready? Alright guys, so that is it for our homeschool day in the life video. I hope you enjoyed. This is brand new to me as far as doing a day in the life type of video. So I hope you enjoyed it. Hopefully I will continue to improve on my filming skills as we go along. And if you like, please be sure to give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.